starting to piss me off.
Lancaster, California, on February 6, 2024 at 9:28 a.m. Lancaster station deputies rapidly responded to an urgent call of a business disturbance at the 43500 block of 20th Street West.
Because there's a guy that walked in our store that a customer just reported had a machete in his backpack. And I believe, I talked to one of my other managers, and they said that you guys were looking for him. So I need to call immediately and go ahead and report him because he's still in the store.
Do you know?
He walked out of the bathroom and he attempted to walk out, but then he walked down aisle 7.
Okay.
She's like, I don't have a car. He's got a machete and it's in a case, but it's in his hand. And it's still uncomfortable.
Yeah, absolutely. Hey, what's up, buddy? Do me a favor, can you set that down for me? Set that down for me. Set it down. Set that down. Come on, man. You got the machete in your hand. Do me a favor, man. Set it down. At this point, you're not in trouble. I just need you to set it down so we can talk.
The suspect, Jonathan Scott Fisher, 38, stood at the main entrance. He was holding a machete with another knife tucked into his waistband and refused multiple commands from officers to drop the weapons.
Come on, man. Don't do this. Don't do this. I do. Set it down. Set it down, man. It doesn't work that way. Set it down. Come on, man. Yeah, I don't want him going in the store.
Hi, partner. Hey, do not go in the store. Just put the knife down. Jonathan, that's all we're asking. Put the knife down.
Come on.
John, don't go in the store. Don't go in the store.
Come on, man.
40 up. 40,
Come on.
40 up, 40 up, 40 up.
Move up, move up. Come on. Stop.
40 up.
Stop.
Let's leave, let's leave, let's leave.
Everybody, stop. Everybody get down.
After several tense minutes, Foster brazenly walked back into the store. A taser and a 40mm foam round were completely ineffective. Foster then charged aggressively at the deputy staff while armed with the knife, and an officer-involved shooting became unavoidable.
Stop, stop, stop. Dude, we're gonna have to...
Hey, keep your hands up!
Come on, man, just stop.
On the ground, Father. We need to help you out.
You got another taser? You're gonna have to get him, like, in the chest. Come on, man! Stop! Stop!
It's starting to piss me off.
Going walking towards the southeast corner. Was there a unit that was responding? And 998.
Foster sustained multiple gunshot wounds to the upper and lower body and later died at the hospital. Earlier the same day, Foster had violently broken into a gas station, smashing the glass door and assaulting a female employee. The victim suffered a severe laceration to her arm and was treated at the hospital. Springfield, Massachusetts, at approximately 2:20 a.m. on February 25, 2023. 48-year-old William Tisdall was reported causing a disturbance inside the MGM Springfield Casino. After threatening to shoot individuals he'd been in conflict with, he quickly fled the scene toward Main Street and Union.
Get on the ground!
When approached by officers, Tisdall immediately fled despite commands to stop. Keeping his right hand inside his jacket pocket, he aggressively resisted officers, even when attempts were made to detain him.
Look out, he's right by the corner. There you go. Hey!
Only when the taser was deployed did Tisdall suddenly fire a shot, and he was immediately struck in the chest, later dying at the Bay State Medical Center. The investigation later determined that the officers acted within their lawful duty in self-defense and in defense of others.
You're gonna get tased! Fuck! Hey! Get your hands up now! Get him up! Get him up! I'm dead. Call shots fired now.
Hampton District Attorney Anthony Dugalino stated Tisdall's actions dictated a course of events and the reasonable and necessary use of lethal force by the troopers. There is a clear and copious evidence that Tisdall assessed, pointed, and fired his gun at troopers.
Y'all got me. Yeah. What do you got? He shot at us. Over there, he shot at us. Okay. I don't know. He's hit a couple times. Okay, hey, we need a med kit. You got gloves on? I only got my fucking work clothes. Here's them. Pull your head up!
307 Northwest, 307 Northwest 72nd Avenue, 307 Northwest 72nd Avenue. Okay, yes, an apartment, I don't know, the apartment is... Oh my God, he's shooting 3 times. He's shooting 3 times, 4 times. Please.
Is anyone shot, sir?
Yeah, I hear that, I don't see it.
Miami, Florida, August 26, 2025, just before 4 p.m. Police received a frantic 911 call. The suspect, 50-year-old Javier Albriza Yara, was actively firing shots and desperately attempting to shoot a woman in the area of the 305 Northwest 72nd Avenue.
Mira con la pistola, mira, maricón, mira. Hijo puta, mira.
Through the recorded video, Yara can be seen behaving erratically, slamming his head into a window, returning to the apartment, suddenly running down the 4th floor, and intentionally leaving the door open. In a fit of rage, Yara brutally shot a 46-year-old woman in the chest and continued firing.
Maricón esto, mira. El maricón este, ¿no? No, no, no.
Advise on the unit of the 4th floor.
If I answer flying, make it the 4th floor again. I answer flying to 330 on the 4th floor. At the 4. The entrance. Give all the advice of the female supposed to be located in apartment 325. I'm getting additional thing that the subject possibly located in apartment 409.
Open door.
34 for the door, Penguin.
3401.
Somebody's gonna have to cross. What? Somebody's gonna have to cross over. Go.
Yo, let me see your ass. Let me see your ass. Let me see your ass here. Let me see your ass. All right, pull your head up.
Police arrived immediately, bravely approached the doorway, and found Yara brandishing a handgun in a threatening manner. They repeatedly ordered him to raise his hands. A violent exchange of gunfire ensued.
What?
Somebody's gonna have to cross over.
I got it. Yo, let me see your hands. 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 All right, put your hands up.
Inside, Yara desperately reloaded and manipulated the handgun without restraint. Outside, officers held their positions and awaited the arrival of the SRT. The SRT team skillfully entered the apartment and found Yara motionless on the floor, deceased.
Let's go. All right.
After being shot by Yara, the 46-year-old victim ran down to a neighbor's apartment on the 3rd floor and was safe. The victim's father stated that Yara had attempted to shoot him as well, but the gun miraculously jammed. The victim survived. No officers were injured. A bold robbery shattered the late-night quiet at 1 a.m. in Dallas, Texas, on July 4, 2024. Officer Martinez was already conducting covert surveillance on an illegal gaming room when he observed the suspect suddenly sprinting out of the parking lot near the location. Suddenly, one of the suspects rushed forward and pointed a gun directly at Martinez, at a moment when Martinez was not wearing his ballistic vest and had not yet activated his body camera. Martinez was forced to open fire on the suspect, identified as 34-year-old Timothy Jefferson.
I'm on the backside of the Jello building right here. Hey, police, police!
Where you at? Where you at?
Shots fired, one down.
Hey, move over here.
Hey, hey, he still got his gun behind, bro. Okay.
Keep your hands up. Hands up. I'm gonna get good, all right? Y'all got him? I'm gonna get good. You all right? Are you hit, bro?
I'm good, bro.
You good? You good?
I'm good.
The second suspect, 21-year-old Kyverian Banks, was located by officers nearby. The third suspect, 20-year-old Dominique LeBoylan, was found in the gaming room parking lot and was immediately taken into custody. The fourth suspect successfully fled the scene.
Go, fucking go! I'll shoot you, motherfucker!
He's running right there, right there, right there! Right there, right there, right there!
L72 that we got. Secret on progress.
The manager of the game room was arrested and charged with keeping a gambling place, uncovering the illicit nature of the establishment.